every renter has different priorities. The same listing that's perfect for one person may be wrong for another. RentRank is a virtual office website that uses licensed MLS data to show renters which listings best match their specific needs, helping them make informed decisions during their search. RentRank operates as a VOW under bright MLS guidelines. That means registration is required before any listing data is displayed. Here, the user creates an account with their name, email, and password. No listing information is visible until registration is complete. Before accessing the platform, every user must review and accept the terms of use. These terms establish the broker-consumer relationship required under VOW rules. The terms explicitly state that all listing data is sourced from Bright MLS under license, that information is for personal, non-commercial use only, and that RentRank match ratings are personalized preference indicators, not property valuations, appraisals, or pricing opinions. Listing owners may request score suppression at any time. The user cannot proceed without accepting. Once registered, the user tells RentRank what they're looking for. This is how we personalize. The same listing will produce different match ratings for different users based on their individual inputs. They set a maximum monthly rent, select bedroom count, minimum bathrooms, preferred unit type, whether they prioritize space or location, and a minimum square footage. Listings that exceed the budget still appear in results, but their match rating reflects the mismatch. Nothing is hidden. The data is displayed as provided by the MLS feed. Next, the user selects preferred neighborhoods across Washington, D.C. Listings outside these selections still appear in results. They simply match slightly lower to reflect the preference. They also indicate their work situation: in-office, hybrid, or remote. This adjusts how heavily transit proximity factors into their match rating. A remote worker, for example, sees transit weighted much less than someone commuting 5 days a week. All of this personalizes the emphasis within the match rating. The underlying MLS listing data is never altered. Finally, the user ranks amenities as a must-have, nice-to-have, or skip. Must-haves carry double weight in the match rating. If a listing is missing a must-have amenity, that's flagged directly on the listing card, so the user sees it before they schedule a tour. Once preferences are set, RentRank calculates a personalized match rating for every active listing in the feed. Here are the results. Only listings scoring 65 or above are displayed. These are the listings that meaningfully align with this user's stated preferences. The map shows each listing's match rating by neighborhood. The feed can be sorted by match score, price, or size, and filtered by neighborhood. Selecting a listing opens its full detail view. At the top, the address, neighborhood, price, beds, baths, and square footage, all displayed exactly as provided by the MLS feed. The match rating breaks down into 3 weighted categories: unit features at 60%, building amenities at 30%, and location context at 10%. The user can see exactly how each category contributed to their personal match rating. Below that, market position shows where this listing's annualized rent per square foot falls relative to the DC median for its bedroom type. This is market context, not a pricing opinion or valuation. The disclaimer states this explicitly. Every listing displays full MLS attribution. The data source, listing ID, listing agent, and brokerage office. The user can browse through other high-scoring listings to compare. Each detail view follows the same structure. MLS source listing data displayed as provided. A personalized match breakdown, market position context, amenity checklist, and full attribution. Notice that the same features score differently depending on this user's preferences. A listing with in-unit laundry scores higher for someone who marked that as a must-have versus someone who skipped it. That's the core of RentRank. The same listing, different match ratings for different renters. Similar listings are surfaced at the bottom of each detail page, filtered to the same score threshold, so the user can compare alternatives without leaving the context of what they're evaluating. Preference alerts flag specific mismatches. If a listing is over budget by a certain percentage or missing a must-have amenity, that's called out clearly so the user can make an informed decision. Users can save listings for easy reference. The Saved panel shows all bookmark listings with their match ratings at a glance. RentRank monitors listing status via the MLS feed. If a saved listing is leased, withdrawn, or otherwise removed from the active feed, the user receives a notification so they can adjust their search accordingly. RentRank displays licensed MLS listing data with full attribution behind a compliant registration wall with clear terms of use. Match ratings are personalized preference indicators that help renters identify which listings best fit their stated needs. We appreciate Bright MLS reviewing this walkthrough and welcome any questions about our data handling or display practices.